Hey, good evening. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for February 12th, 2025. Here's Sniper Trade of the Day. Big Bear. It's our one of our story stocks. Had a slight gap down, 123 entry as it breaks the PSAR and the Bollinger Band 30. When it breaks above the previous day's VWAP, we had a second position. It's got 2R in hand. Cash about 4. Re-entry caught a 2. Second position when it makes an emerging dragon, and another 4R. So that's 8R in addition to the swing trade on this one. This one has every reason to believe that it's going to 13. So we'll continue to monitor that one carefully. The 150-day look back, we're still in the upper tier of the 10 and the 30-day look back. We're trying to get above 610 here to break out to new highs. Everything looks favorable. Uh, Today's little gap down was reversed and had a strong upward move. Not big range day, but still the failure to fail here confirms the Kata 2 pattern that we're in. Yeah, but it has to get above this peak to be persuasive. Yeah, all pretty much tightly clustered around the price today. Bullish normal, overbought long term, volatility is favorable, pressing the upper limit of the river. Everything's looking solid and good here. Nothing abnormal here on our holdings. Everything's actually abnormally quiet, if I can say it that way. Lots of auto framers firing here. You got strength in Intel, Coke, and Walmart. That's healthy. The ETFs, we now added 5 or 6 auto framers now firing. And the globals are now coming into their own with some breakouts here in Mexico, Brazil, Eurasia, emerging markets, catching up to the US. Lots of auto framers to choose from, lots of squeezes to choose from as the market is compressing and looking for leadership. Being dominated now by the fall as we're waiting for the next buying surge to come in. Did have some strength in the Main Street here. Coke, Intel, Walmart, Boeing, Palantir, Procter and Gamble. All the globals were breakouts today. So starting to see some differentiation and among the winners and losers. The top 10 for intraday trading remains constant. Tesla, marijuana, clean energy, Nvidia, Palantir, Intel. Good choices all. And everything looks favorable on the Z scores of the regression line slopes, all pointing towards higher highs and grinding north. It has to get above that 610, though, to be persuasive. All right, keep your risk measured and your powder dry, and we will see you tomorrow.